Hello friends, welcome to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's see how to make Oreo chocolate cake in just 3 minutes with 3 ingredients. This is going to be a real treat for those who crave for chocolate cakes. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. I've taken 15 Oreo biscuits. Let's powder them. I'm breaking them into pieces to make the grind easy. Add all the biscuits into a mixie jar and grind them into a very fine powder. Now let's make the batter for the cake. Add the powdered Oreo biscuits into a mixing bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This is optional as the Oreo biscuit is going to have sugar in itself. Half teaspoon of baking powder, give all the dry ingredients a quick mix. Now let's start adding milk little by little. The powdered biscuit will absorb a lot of milk, so you can be generous in adding milk. We are looking for a dripping consistency, so keep adding milk until you achieve it. I've used a little less than half cup of milk. We have the perfect consistency now. Your batter is now ready. Let's grease a microwave safe pan with some butter. Place a butter paper at the bottom of the pan. Now let's pour the batter into the microwave safe bowl. Once you pour all the batter into the bowl, tap it twice so that the air bubbles will break down. Now let's bake the Oreo chocolate cake in microwave for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now, so let's check on the Oreo cake. Let's check with the toothpick. It should come out clean. Yes, it's perfectly baked for us. Let's wait for a few minutes for the cake to cool down. The cake has cooled down well, so let's demold it. The cake is very soft and spongy. I'm decorating the cake top with nutella spread. I'm sprinkling some chocolate strands on top. You can also go with chocolate chips. If you're preparing for your kids and want it to be colorful, go with gems or jujubes. They will love it. Let's drop some Oreo biscuits on top. Use your own creativity in decorating your cake. Your Oreo cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy your delicious instant Oreo chocolate cake with your family and friends. Thank you. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.